Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. How you doing? Welcome back to Making It with the Matthews.
Yes, welcome back. I like repeating everything you say.
Sure I do. As you can see, we're sitting here lounging in robes, palm trees in the background, a little bit different from our usual scenery, and that's for a very important reason.
All right. Yeah. So guys, it's a life update. We have relocated to Charleston,
South Carolina. Yep.
South Carolina.
We're no longer living in New Jersey.
No longer living in the Northeast.
Yep.
We are definitely in the South. Now, I will say, on our journey here, it has definitely not been easy. Yes. Very challenging because it was very quick.
Yes.
It all happened so rapidly. So from the date that we knew it was going to happen, which was December 16th, we pretty much left New Jersey just about 30 days later.
Yeah, pretty much. And it literally was like week to week updates of what's going on. So the pressure was really there. But for those of us who know us, and those of you who may not know, we've never truly felt like we was at home in New Jersey. I mean, it's an important part of our life. That's where we met this beautiful lady here. That's where our daughter was born. That's where we initially got married originally. So we do have some history in New Jersey, but for some reason, I guess being Caribbean folks, we just never truly felt at home there.
Yeah, it never felt like home. And one of the things that we weren't able to do in New Jersey was by choice, was to buy a home. And it's because every year I kept saying, babe, I want to move. I want to move. Babe, I want to move. And we could never agree on where, right? So he was like, let's do Atlanta. I was pro Maryland all day, every day.
She was a Maryland, D.C. area.
Maryland, D.C.
I
area.
was North Carolina, Atlanta area. For one, it was a little bit warmer, and then homes were pretty much better for the price he was getting.
Yeah, and he pointed something out yesterday when we were driving down. He was talking about, the law of attraction and manifesting. It's not only positive things, right? So sometimes when you say the things that you don't want, you're putting that out into the universe as well, and that's what ended up happening here.
Yes.
So
that's how manifestation works. The universe doesn't know what you want from what you don't want. It just knows what you attract to it. Mm-hmm. So the more you think about something, whether it's on the positive aspect of wanting it or the negative aspect of I don't want this to happen to me, the more you put your energy and your mind towards something, is the more you're going to attract it to you.
Yeah.
So she kept saying, I don't want the South.
Anything but the South. Anything but the South.
Yep. And we're in South Carolina, guys.
So it's been a lot of manifestations, and I think that South Carolina, though it wasn't on our radar, definitely encompasses everything that we actually wanted.
It's crazy because not only was it never on radar, we've never visited.
Yeah.
We've never even thought about it. Like, I jumped over it and went to Atlanta from North Carolina. But it's a beautiful place.
Absolutely beautiful, as you can see, and you'll see in a lot of our videos. So we just wanted to come and just say officially that we're no longer in New Jersey. We are now in Charleston, South Carolina.
So we hope that you guys tune in and stay up to date with us as we try to keep you up to date on everything that's happening with our lives now, as we take on this new adventure and these new journeys as the Matthews. So come along and let's make it.
That's right. So right now we're going to take it back to a few, of our packing days and the moving truck days and all of those things. So we're going to rewind back in time a few days ago when we packed everything up and left New Jersey. And then from there, if you guys have any questions or, any messages at all or messages of encouragement, leave them in the description, not the description,
comment box.
Leave it in the comment box. Make sure you like this video, share it. Thank you guys, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. So tune in. Here we go.
So let's go.
people. You guys haven't seen our faces in a long time, but you know, we have been super busy and we are deep in the middle of a surprise, which you would have already seen by now, that we're moving. So we are 2 days away, well, 1 day away from the movers coming. And so today's Thursday, January, I don't know, 21st. And we are organizing because the movers are coming to pack. But you know how island people are, we gotta do as much as we can. So we've been packing some things in totes, and I'm gonna show you what Travis is up to. Say morning to the people then, boss.
Morning, people. I have my coffee already, so I ain't in a grumpy mood, even though I'm up early.
Oh, by the way, guys, Babes took the Peloton off, the screen off of the bike, because they were about to charge us $232 to dismantle it and then to put it back together when we get to our destination. I don't have time for that. So, hubby did it.
The TV guys are here.
Okay. All right, so we're talking with one of the movers and he's explaining what the process is. Okay. And so that label goes on each of the boxes. Everything gets a barcode.
Girl sitting on the floor, she's feeling sad because the house is all empty now.
An echo.
This is it, guys.
This is not it. We are staying here. I will sleep on the ground.
This is it.
I will sleep on the ground.
Remember this thing.
Stop saying this. It's it.
From here, it's only up, Taylor.
From here, we're staying.
Good morning, good morning. So today is our final day in New Jersey. We're at my sister-in-law's and we are packing up to head out. It is 6 a.m. and so we're gonna get to it. We're packing up the truck, guys. It's time to go. We have a parking lot full of black cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why are we a family of black cars? Like, that is insane. Oh, and their other brother has a black truck too. Like, black, 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 black. That's crazy.
I'll be back when my hair is really dirty.
I miss you, man.
What's gonna miss you guys?
Ready?
No, I'm not.
Ready to roll?
Rock and roll.
Other side. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? So I haven't shown my face. Gosh, this shadow is like real. Say hi to Taylor. I am in the car braiding her hair because I didn't get to finish it last night. Anyways, guys, so as you can see, we're moving. We just left New Jersey and we are now in Delaware, headed to Virginia. Well, DC, Maryland first stop, then to North Carolina, then to our end destination. So stay tuned for all the rest of the video. If you aren't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, girlfriend or guy friend. And
Don't be weird.
Taylor said don't be weird. I'm sorry if I'm being weird. Anyways, just subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, all that stuff. Alright, we'll catch you guys when we get to our first stop. Wow. We made it to Virginia, guys. We made it to the car place. And their place is so cute. Hold on. We're entering in. How beautiful.
Can you guess? This my
Got the plants here. And this is me. Nishim, I'm doing your style video. This is my daily outfit, you know, and this is me. You know, outfit. How's the rum punch?
It's good. It's good. It's good. Want to try it? Yeah, we get some rum.
Cheers.
There is alcohol in this. Sweet cheers.
You save it for me?
He's getting extra rum. Right now, it's Chronic versus Protege.
What was the name of that
So Chronic's just one.
To give him credit, I like this one too.
Oh yeah, this one.
That's a good pull. That's a good pull. That's a good pull. That's a good pull. I like
This is a good one. Good job, guys. So we're about to take a group family picture, and we're lining everybody up right now. There goes the family. So let's see what the family picture is gonna be, because the boss is about to take it.
Welcome.
Welcome. Oh, look at this. We got food on the table. This is such an island thing. Oh, Tony, you make the rice so fancy.
Thank you, Bobo.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of our journey to South Carolina. We are currently in North Carolina at my brother-in-law's house. And so Taylor has school, so I'm about to wake her up. Hubby and his brother went to the gym. I'm about to wake Taylor up so I can get her breakfast and get her signed on to school in 20 minutes. So come with us as we do that, and then we'll prepare to continue the rest of our journey. Taylor. Oh my gosh, your uncle gave you lights? Oh, this is too cute. Taylor Bear. Taylor Bear, wake up. Look at the lights in your room. This is so cool. Taylor and I are making breakfast at Uncle Tony's. He has bacon and turkey sausage, and I made eggs.
I forget where, but it's like for a birthday, for like, suitcase, and then I'm here right now.
Whose birthday was it?
It was.
Yo, this guy is working, playing games, and watching movies. Like, that's how we telework now? That's it. Exactly. Exactly. Hi, baby. Why am I so loud? Because Uncle Tony's supposed to be working, and he's not. You need to get back to school.
That's right. You think I'm the Christian. I'm a voodoo on the head. I sing here.
What's wrong with this madman?
All right, man. Sis.
Bye. Love you.
Y'all drive safe. Let me know when y'all get there.
Okay. Peace out.
If I ain't got no engagement this weekend, I'll come down and I'll see y'all.
Yo, we've been sitting at this gas station for 4 minutes. Babe just sitting waiting. And then I'm like, oh shoot, ain't nobody coming. You better go pump the gas. Oh my gosh, Taylor's laughing. So we just left out, guys. It's hilarious that we're gonna have to pump our own gas. I'm not about that life. When I lived in Florida, when I went to college in Florida, listen, I would wait till the last minute to get gas because I've always been a germaphobe, so I hated touching the pump. I hated doing all of that stuff. Like, can you imagine now? Like, one of my new love language is gonna be, babe.
Tell her.
My new love language. Can you guess what it is?
Money?
That's always been getting my gas pumped. I would be like, just take the car on a Sunday, babe. Just fill it up. Because I ain't about that pump life. Huh?
I'm gonna have to, because that's what it's gonna be like.
I don't like pumping gas. I never have and never will. So I'm grateful for living in the north because we have attendance. So.
How you feel, Tank? Yeah? How was the road trip so far?
And we're still not there.
Well, we're in South Carolina and we already feel a difference.
Yeah, it's not cold.
Yeah. So we just made it into South Carolina, baby. And we can feel a difference. Look, we out here, no jackets, sunlight, palm trees in the background. What else could you ask for?
Not a thing.